Welcome back. Lip Smacking Foodie Tours offers a culinary experience, visiting a variety of different restaurants, and they kicked off the new year with a new tour. And here to share more about their celebrity chef tour, we have the president of Lip Smacking Foodie Tours, Donald Contursi, here with us. Donald, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
You have so many incredible foodie tours, but I'm really excited about this new one. Tell me all about this celebrity chef-driven tour.
So we have a new lip smacking tour. We have a lot of repeat guests, and they demand, new experiences. And we've partnered up with Caesars Entertainment. They have amazing celebrity chefs under their umbrella, Gordon Ramsay, Fieri, Buddy V, Dominique Ansel. So we're going to do an afternoon experience, which has started 2 weeks ago. Feedback's been incredible.
I bet.
To go to 4 of the top celebrity chefs' restaurants to try their signature dish, and it's all along the LINQ Promenade.
And just hearing those chef names makes me hungry, so I know you're going to have an incredible experience. For people who haven't done a lip smacking foodie tour before, run me through what that looks like. It's a guided tour, and you eat a lot.
A lot of food on a lip smacking tour, definitely. Tour guides are phenomenal. They'll tell you about each restaurant. It's a VIP dining experience, especially at these popular restaurants that we work with. There's no wait, so there's a queue. There's a long line a lot of times that we get an opportunity to bypass. The food comes out fresh, so this is the way you're able to try all of these amazing places all in under 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
So lots of food, accommodations for allergies and dietary restrictions.
That's great.
You learn a little bit about the city. It's a full experience.
And we were talking about all of the different tours that you do, everything from steakhouses to a brunch and in the Arts District, but you also have a special announcement. This isn't your only new tour. You got another one coming up.
So it's not on the website quite yet, but we'll be operating in less than a month. It's our new lip smacking tour over at MGM Grand. That's going to be, thank you very much, appreciate it. They have phenomenal restaurants, including Morimoto, Craft Steak by Tom Colicchio, and the new Lucchini. So it's 3 of their high-end, award-winning restaurants all in one night, and that'll be offered for dinner.
You're making it easy to try all of these restaurants and spoiling us. I'm so excited for you. I know that you've been working really hard on this over the years, and it just continues to grow. So congratulations, Donald. I'm really excited about the Celebrity Chef one. I got to come try that out. So to book your tour and for more information, you can visit lipsmackingfoodietours.com. JC?